to assemble your VeriVide CAC 60 light cabinet. You will need the following tools. In an open and safe space, remove all staples from the outer box using a pair of pliers. Once all staples have been safely removed, carefully break through the tape to open the box. Remove the top layer of packaging and take out the first package, which will contain the back, sides and base of your cabinet. Underneath you will find a bigger package containing the canopy. Carefully lift out and dispose of the outer box. Place the two packages on a flat, clean and level surface, such as a table or worktop. Being careful not to damage the unit inside, break through the tape on the packaging of the canopy. Remove outer wrapping with care so as not to mark or damage the canopy in the process. Take out the mains cable and brown envelope that can be found in between the lamps on the inside of the canopy. Open the brown envelope and inside you will find screws, test certificate and instructions for use and how to assemble your cabinet. Before attempting to assemble the unit, be sure to read through all the instructions supplied in the brown envelope. Place the canopy to one side to create space to safely open the box containing the back, sides and base of your cabinet. Carefully break open the box, being mindful not to damage the cabinet inside. Do not touch the painted interior of the unit as you remove all of the components. Once you've provided yourself with enough space for assembly, work out which side is the left and which is the right. Prepare all the screws and cups, checking you have the correct amount as per the instructions, and unwrap the mains cable. Take the screws and using an electric or a manual screwdriver, position the first panel to the back and loosely screw together. Repeat for the other side, remembering not to over-tighten. Open out both sides to allow room for the base to be placed into position. Place the screw into the back whilst holding the front edge, making sure not to mark the interior. Tighten all the side screws and secure in the front screws, being cautious not to over-tighten. Next, place the canopy on top of the back, sides and base. CAC 60 and 60-5 canopies can be fitted by one person. However, it is recommended that you have assistance when lifting into place. Plug the mains cable into the back of the cabinet, then proceed to plug into the mains socket and switch on at the wall. Before use, read the best practice and user guides on how to operate the cabinet. Once you have read the instructions, Test the cabinet to make sure it works correctly by switching on each light source. It is recommended that you keep all paperwork and booklets safe and accessible for your cabinet.